Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not vibrating on silent. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn on vibrate on ring and vibrate in silent mode. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics, scroll down, and here you can see guys, play haptics and silent mode. Turn on this option. So after turning this on, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open lock screen, and then the next solution is turn on vibration. So for this, open settings, from button. So after this, the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the next latest iOS. So for this, open general, tap on software update here, wait for it. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So I have the new version available, so install this. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.